Hey guys, Jazz here, back with another video finally. I know it's been a minute, but honestly, a bitch been sad, y'all. I've been sad, you know, life happens. But I'm gonna try to get through this shit anyway, so let's get right into it. So today's video is on housing here in Da Nang. I'm going to show you some videos of apartment tours, okay? But before I do, I wanted to give you some rundown on what to expect when getting housing here. For one, if you're coming from America, you will see a big difference. The first thing is you don't really have to fill out an application and apply for an apartment. You got that money and you good, okay? Now, sometimes these places will require 3 months up front, but I've seen that decrease a lot because of COVID right now, right? But if you're coming here after COVID, then you can expect that, but typically you can arrange something different, like, yo, I ain't got 3 months, but I could pay you month to month. For me, if I do pay 3 months up front, I'm usually going to try to get a discount, okay? But I don't mind because it's like you're going to pay anyways. One thing I would recommend is not signing a long-term lease. I've done that abroad, and every time I do, I'm always thinking, like, for example, the place that I'm in now, this was a great deal. It went down a lot due to COVID, so I was like, you know what? Let me lock in this rate for a year, right? And a few months later, I moved in July, and I'll be leaving in December, okay? Now, when you're living abroad, things change, and you just don't know, okay? So here it is. I thought that I would be here in Da Nang for another year, but with the visa situation changing so drastically, and then things in my personal life changing, I'm just ready to go, y'all. Ready to go. So I'll be departing here in December. And with that said, I'm losing my deposit unless I can find somebody to move up in this bitch, okay? But charge to the game, because on the bright side, they will not come looking for me. They will not put this on my credit. I've told my landlord a month in advance that I will be leaving, and it's kosher. She's just gonna keep $300, okay? It's more like $400, but whatever. Charge it to the game. So that's that. Now, all of these places are fully furnished. So when I show you these apartments, these are not model homes. These are move-in ready. When I tell you they're fully furnished, they have everything you need. For example, this place came with a couch, TV, tea set, linens, towels, you know, dishes, pots, pans, soap, a laundry a washer with laundry detergent, cleaning supplies, everything. I just moved my black ass in, okay, and brought my stuff, okay? So there's everything. Decorations, I did change some things, you know, I put up my favorite artwork, but as far as that, like, everything was ready. Internet set up. When I tell you these places are move-in ready, they move in ready, okay? That's one great thing about this place. What else? AC, a fan, everything. Everything was here when I moved in. Yeah, I got some plants. I did purchase this plant here, and I purchased a few other little things, but as far as that goes, it came with everything. You do have to do a deposit, which makes sense because you're living in here with all this shit, y'all. So the deposit that I paid for, if I was to clean this place out, it's the stuff that in this house is worth way more than $380, okay? The TV, the couch, you know, microwave, everything was already in here. So that's that. So let's get into it. I'm going to show you some places, and all of these places are under $500. All of these places are in Santra. I'm just giving you an example, and they are all 1 bedroom or 2 bedrooms. Now, I did not do any studios because I wasn't looking for studios, but I can show you guys some studios if you like to see them. But yeah, and also these places are a lot cheaper than Anthon, which is the highly saturated expat area. I don't like Anthon for a few reasons. For one, the places tend to be smaller. There's a lot of construction, and when I tell you a lot of construction, there is a lot of fucking construction over there, y'all. And I like more of the local area. And so if I need to, I go over there. But honestly, y'all, I avoid Anthon as much as possible. Okay? Yeah, everything's cheaper over here. Coffee, plates, everything's just cheaper. So I like that, and I like more of the authentic feel of Vietnam. Okay, so let's get right into it. All right, so our first apartment is a full 1
bedroom on a high floor with full balcony and this amazing view of the sea. On a bright and sunny day, it's gorgeous, but you can also see the Lady Buddha there and Santra Mountains. It comes with AC, a smart TV. I love this accent wall here. All of the decor is included. Full kitchen, but there's no oven. Okay, that's typical here. And here is the bedroom. All right, turn on the light here. And here is the bed. The frames come with it, everything. There's a little vanity there as well. There's also an AC in here. And my favorite part about this one is, let's wait for it, this view. It's gorgeous of the sea. I wish it was sunny today, guys, but we're recording this during rainy season, so there you have it. But you can see again the beautiful Santra Mountain, and that's Lady Buddha over there in the far distance. Okay, a full wardrobe, nice and stylish, I think, you know. Okay, there's also a washer there. If you see again, the places here don't have dryers. Okay, that's rare, you'll find a dryer. Now this one does not have an enclosed shower, so it's considered a wet room, but you'll get used to that out here in Asia. But this place is gorgeous, and it's only $344, and that includes internet. Water is about $2 a month extra, and there's also a maintenance fee of about $15 a month. With a beautiful mountain view, a balcony. It is located on the 12th floor. There's a television, fully furnished, like I said, kitchenware. There's a small bar, bathroom, full one bedroom, so it's not just glass like a lot of one bedrooms here. Mountain view again from the bedroom as well. There is a washer, no dryer. Most places don't have dryers here, and there is an enclosed shower. Great. You see that this place even has laundry detergent, and that's what you have here. This is $280. So here we have a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, also located on the 12th floor. This is in Santra. Washer, no dryer, full kitchen, full refrigerator, which a lot of refrigerators are smaller here. I love the L-shaped couch. There's a smart television. This has a city view, okay, and yeah, street view there. Nice and spacious dining room table. This is the master bedroom. Okay, views from here as well. It's the same view of the city. Nice sized bedroom. Full wardrobe, little desk area, vanity. This is the bathroom, which also has an enclosed shower. This is amazing, y'all, because a lot of places in Asia have wet rooms, and there's even a window in the bathroom, which is phenomenal. A lot of places don't have that here as well. So this, and there's a TV in the bedroom, TV in the living room. There is a smaller bedroom here, and it also has the view of the city. And there's not much in here, just a bed and a wardrobe. Guess this would be good for a kid's room. Also, city view. Okay, now those trucks do get a little loud. That is something to know. But if you ever wanted them to remove the bed and you do a long-term lease, they are willing to remove the bed in case you would like to make one of the rooms an office. Okay, and this is the second. Alrighty, here we have a 2-bedroom, 2-bath on a lower level. It is considered a sea view, but it's a partial sea view. Here is a dining room and the kitchen. There's a laundry room there, full fridge. Turn on the lights. L-shaped couch. The balcony is a little weird. It has like these wires on it or something. I don't know if somebody was trying to commit suicide or what's going on there, but it's weird. You can maybe take it down. It also might be to keep kids safe, I'm not sure. But here is the first bedroom, which is a smaller bedroom. And there is also a second bathroom, the smaller bathroom, and I guess the guest bathroom. And here is the master bedroom. Okay, the view is the same. I think on a sunny day you can see the sea there, but it's probably not that large of a sea view. There's also mountain views. Nice big bed, wardrobe, desk, enclosed shower, which is awesome. Bum gun, of course. Yeah, vanity. Nice size apartment. Okay, very nice. And this one is $344 for 2-bedroom, 2-bath. Alrighty, and this is probably our last one for today. This is on the 11th floor. This is another 2-bedroom, 2-bath. I think that wallpaper is a little cheesy, but hey. And fully furnished here. Anything you want to change, you can always feel free to. But again, this is a beautiful sea view. And again, I wish it was a sunny day, y'all, but rainy season. Okay, this has a dining room table, full kitchen, and here is the first bedroom. All right, you can see the ocean from the bedrooms as well. Love the accent walls there, and all these places are individually owned, okay, even though it's an apartment complex. And here is the master bedroom, another accent wall, and again, beautiful sea views. Okay, that's some blue water when the sun is shining. Okay, and this is again on the high floor. This is the 11th floor here, and there is the master bathroom as well, which has another enclosed shower, which is great. Now, if you're looking for a bathtub, that's pretty rare out here. I've only seen a bathtub at a few places, and it's either outside or in a very old building. Okay, so welcome to Asia. This one is not enclosed. And there you have it. This is a beautiful apartment and a great deal at under $400 a month. It also includes internet, and again, the water bill here is about $2, and I pay about $12, $15 for my light bill every month here. This apartment building does have a great rate on electricity. I think it's 1.3 or something kilograms. And here is the rooftop pool located on the 20th floor. It is open to all residents and included in your maintenance fee. You can see all of the Nong.